because I only have one bar. So this is a real good, quick tutorial for all those dreamers out there who are cutting their own damn hair. Let's get started. This is how to do a real good cut, you know what I mean, and cut your hair on your own. This is the amateur, because you know I'm an amateur, honey. I don't really know how to cut hair real good. And another good tip is this style right here. I know a lot of people don't have this style no more. This style is, and thanks to Black Panther, honey, how you doing? This come back out. This style come back out. In the meanwhile, I've been having my little long hair and everything. So this is an easy cut to do. So anywho, let's get started. Now what I was doing was cutting my sides here and everything, and I just had the idea to do the video. So what I'm doing basically is taking my balls here, and these are real cheap. You can get them in Walmart and everything. I had these for years, honey. Very durable, great clippers in here. And I think I got it. It looked like it was at Walmart. It looked like it was in cheap section and stuff like that. But these are good ass clippers. I'll put the link in the description. Anywho, and I just put a little I got this from the beauty supply. If I can find out, put that on there for you guys as well. You know, I try to help you guys out there. So anywho, so I just take this here, pull it all the way forward, and I start doing my, you see what I'm trying to do here? I start doing the front. I don't know the technical term. Like I said, I don't cut hair, honey. A little bit to the middle and everything to cut through here. But I don't do that, okay? I think that's what you're supposed to do, honey. But what I do is I just pull it all the way back, and I just cut all throughout here. You see what I'm saying? I gotta sit, you know, I'm such an amateur, honey. I gotta sit and look at the clipper, make sure it's in the right spot, because, honey, you did your shoe. And then, also, this is a good tip. If you do mess up, honey, you had to clip all the way up, and you do the whole damn thing, and then cut this part right here, honey. You could, it's not gonna be the desired tapered look. That's what I'm going for, the tapered look, okay? It's not gonna be the tapered look, but you're gonna have to make it a ball fade. Okay, so that's an easy tip for you if you fuck it up right there, okay? If you're new to the channel, I do cuts and I'm real, okay? So I mean, honey, that's who I am. I'm real with it. So I got it. See, I had all the way up, so that's why I had to check, honey. So let me make sure look in the mirror, make sure I'm gonna have to blend and do this part here more, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I see that's why I had it front brush like that. So let me go ahead and do that. Just go on in, honey. Just don't be scared, honey. Just go on in there, honey. And sometimes I like to go on through here too, because I don't know, I think that's wrong if you go right here, but I think it's morally right here, honey, right through there. I don't know if the camera's cut. There it is. Just go on through there, honey. Oh, this is helping me cut my hair too. Just pull it all the way back. Okay. Oh shit, let me get it in the light. See, I had to go here because of the damn cord. All the way back and do the darker areas back there. Be gentle with it, you know what I mean? You don't have to be all hard with it and rush. And it kind of blends itself with my method rather than, see how you see it's blending by itself? Isn't that smart? And I'm almost through with that, honey. That part right there. You see how I blended in the taper there? You have to blend here on the taper here as well. You see what I'm saying? Okay, excuse the bookshop looking things right there, the little naps and honey, excuse that. You know I'm black, honey. I'm real black. My folks from Louisiana, so you know, I love that about me, honey. So excuse that, but you know, you gotta fix that with, you know, blending that, you know, put the clip, like I said, all the way to the front, and you gotta just do that just like how you did this right here. It's called tape, honey. I don't know the barbershop lingo and shit. I don't know the barbershop lingo, okay? I'm just, you know, like I said, honey, this is for the amateurs, the beginners out there who cutting their hair on their own, trying to save them some corn, honey. You know, this is what I do to help my dreamers out there. I want to help dreamers out there dream big and get their lives and everyday lives. So this is for people who want to save corn or they have problems with their barbers and stuff, because you got to trust people, and sometimes people don't want to do right, okay? So you got to cut your own damn hair and stuff like that. The equipment is cheap. You save a hell of a lot of corn if you cut your hair on your own. So yes, God. So I'm an amateur. I'm a beginner and everything of the sort. So that's what that is. Look at the description down below and see all the equipment I use to cut my hair. You know, it's all good amateur equipment because, you know, I don't know shit. So it's good. It's gonna be cheap because, you know, I'm cheap and stuff like that. So yes, God. Anywho, let's get it in, and I'm gonna finish that, and I'm gonna do the other side. All right. All right, you guys. This is how it turned out. Okay. Nothing to write home to mama about, honey. This side came out really decent. Well, it looks good in the light, but dude, when I look at the mirror, honey, it looks like a $10 haircut. And ain't nothing wrong with no $10 damn haircut, okay? You may have to go against the grain. You know, earlier in the video I did say that you have to do something here, and it was a little bit of a, it's another side note. A lot of people may go against the grain in the taper here. The taper here. Some people may go against the grain here, throughout here as well. With my experience and stuff, you know, I'm a beginner amateur, honey, and it came out to be like a blotchy, bald type thing. You know, sometimes it didn't come out right. You know, clean it up, and then when I clean it up, I have to go down lower and stuff. So, you know, but sometimes, let me say sometimes, it may work. It may work and everything. I have to be a little bit, you know, cut my hair more often. That's good, and it looks better because you get that little bald fade type thing. You see what I'm saying? And going into something like this, and it looks really cool, like a $20 haircut and stuff. That's probably why it's a $2 haircut, because that's a more intermediate skill level thing to go against the grain right there. Color tutorial and everything. All the favorite products of color. I color my hair all the damn time, if you know me. And put that link of hair color, that, you know, how I color my hair, down below as well. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and give me a little edge up here. I'll be right back. Here is the finished product, the finished cut. Alrighty, so like I said, you know, just go with the lining and stuff like that, and it came out good. It looked like a good little $10 haircut, don't it? That's the bag. Here's the back and everything. Ooh, look at it. I don't know how to do this. That is what it is, honey. That's how I did that haircut in another 30 minutes, honey, and everything. And for my hair, you know, it was dry and brittle before. I just used a little bit of Dr. Miracle Honey and Works Miracle leave-in conditioner. Like I say, you know, for my color video, y'all know I'm a big advocate of vitamin E oil and stuff. And then I put water. You probably put water before the stuff, and then I put water after it, but you put some water before it anyway. And then I put a little bit of Eco Styler on there. You know, I love that Eco Styler. It's good and it's cheap and stuff like that. So I put all the products on there below. This is what I do. I try to help you be live in your everyday lives, and this is what I do all the time here on this channel. So if you like this video and subscribe. Become a dreamer, because I take what dreaming topics and make them relate to you, because you are all that matters. Deuces. And be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Become one of my dreamers and get your trending live here at AF Live.